Welcome to Body Healthy Elements. Coconut oil is a globally marketed ingredient that's known as a superfood. If there's one good thing coconut oil is filled with, it's saturated fats. Compared with many other dietary fats, these fats have a unique role in the body. The fatty acids in the coconut oil help to burn fat, and also provide fast energy for the brain and body. It can also help reduce the risk of heart disease, as well as other great benefits that we will explore further in this video. So stay tuned. Here are the 5 natural benefits of this superfood that will make you want to ensure that you'll never run out of stocks of it for as long as you live. Top 5 natural benefits of coconut oil. 1. Helps to promote fat burning. Many people believe that obesity is just a matter of how many calories a person consumes. In fact, the source of calories is also extremely important. This is because different foods affect the body and hormones in the same unique way. According to research, the MCT in coconut oil can increase the number of calories burned by the body compared with long-chain fatty acids. 2. Can boost heart health. Interestingly, coconut is an uncommon food in the West, with only health-conscious people being the primary consumers. Nevertheless, in some countries, coconut, which is packed with coconut oil, is a dietary staple that has been used for generations. For example, in a study conducted on an island in the South Pacific, people there had over 60% of their calories obtained from coconuts. The overall health of these people is good, but most importantly, their heart disease rate is also very low. 3. Has antibacterial effects. About 50% of the fatty acids in coconut oil are lauric acid. When lauric acid is digested in the body, a substance called monolaurin is formed. Both lauric acid and monolaurin can kill harmful pathogens, including viruses, bacteria, and fungi. In addition, there is evidence that coconut oil is a mouthwash that helps prevent mouth infections. Oil pulling involves gargle with coconut oil, just like using mouthwash to kill some harmful bacteria. 4. Good for skin and hair. In addition to food, coconut oil has many external uses. In fact, many people use it for skin and beauty purposes to improve skin and hair health. In addition, studies have shown that coconut oil can increase the moisture level of dry skin and reduce the symptoms of eczema. It can also act as a protective barrier against hair damage. A study showed that it can be used as a thin layer of sunscreen, which can block about 20% of the sun's ultraviolet rays. 5. May help increase HDL or good cholesterol. Coconut oil contains natural saturated fats, which increase high-density lipoprotein cholesterol levels in the body. Saturated fats can also help convert LDL, bad cholesterol, into a less harmful form. Compared with many other fats, increasing good cholesterol can in turn promote heart health. Therefore, this can also improve metabolic health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Coconut oil actually has many benefits. If you know something we haven't mentioned, please feel free to share it with us. Just write your comment below. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals. Top 10 Castor Oil Beauty Benefits for Skin and Hair. Combine apple vinegar, honey and lemon for these amazing benefits. If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Body Healthy Elements. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.